You know what? I thought it would be easy. You know, write it down, plan it, film it, edit it, and then post. But I just don't know what my style is. What's my YouTube style? Something feels off, something feels not right. What could it be? How do I find my style? How do I find my vibe? What do I do for that? Does anyone have the answer? Let's reflect on it. Alright. There's so many great YouTubers out there. So many people that you can emulate and take notes on. There's so many great movies, so many TV shows. You name it. There's just so many great sources of cinematography, geniusness that we can take notes on, right? So why aren't we using it? Why aren't we emulating it? Why aren't we... Well, maybe we're emulating it too much. Maybe we don't feel ourselves when filming it, or posting it, or reflecting and looking back on it. But how do you film something and create something that's your own, and that you feel like it's your own style, your own vibe? Something you're content with, something you're happy with the final product with. That's something we gotta figure out. Alright, well, I'm gonna take you on this little journey. We're gonna figure out what I vibe with, what I enjoy watching, and if I can figure out what I like watching, then I can figure out kind of what my groove and what my style is. And we'll break down some of the things that I've watched in the past.
Good game. He's got a taste for it.
You sure you're alright?
Just taught me how to kill people, not care for them. It's just another Thursday.
You don't have to care. Just keep her alive.
They say that life in its most unadorned expression is a battle of wills. Six's will is preternatural compared to you.
I think you get the picture, right? Look, I'm gonna try and find my style. I'm gonna piece it together. I'm gonna find what works. It's gonna take me a little while, I'm sure, but once I find my cinematic groove, I reckon I'll be making masterpieces like that one day. It's the beginning of it, right? The cinematic journey. Something raw, something unstructured, just something that's authentic to me. So what's my cinematic style? I don't know yet, but I'm about to find out.